It's a long ride to Brimstone, but I reckon I'll manage.
Hey, mister, you heading to Brimstone too? I reckon that's where everyone is heading. Always jobs in Brimstone. Me, I'm going to work for Carnaby Peabody. He's the manager of the Brimstone Bank and a real swell guy.
What you bothering me for? Sit back down.
Howdy, gunslinger. You'll see plenty more of your kind in Brimstone. A fella like yourself might do all right in the dueling contest.
If you need a loan, Carnaby Peabody's the man to see. The best general store in the territory's in Brimstone. I should know. I own it. Stop on by the general store, friend. We'll fix you up real nice.
Well, bounty hunter, if you want this train to make it to Brimstone, you better load up them guns of yours.
Now this here's a robbery. Nobody plays hero, nobody dies.
Get this! Can't breathe! Don't run away! I'm going to kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Don't run! Where are you going, little butterfly? ¡Muérete, maldita! ¡Muérete! ¡Au! ¡Au! ¡Au!
He's crazy! I'm gonna kill him. Help me!
Oh, dang!
This train's gonna fly off the tracks. I gotta slow it down. That was close. Hey, thanks for saving me. Here, let me patch you up a bit. There ain't no end to these desperados. Boy, you just quick, are you?
Give up while I let you, boy.
Next up, Brimstone!
You the bounty hunter? Sheriff Bartlett. I got your telegram. Mighty grateful to you. I may have some work for you. Stop by my office later.